स्टार्ट। थोड़ा सा हाथ पैर मूव करना स्टार्ट करेंगे। मूव योर हैंड्स एंड लेग्स, मार्च विद स्माइलिंग फेस। ओके, जॉग करेंगे। ओके, कुछ देर तक अपने लेग्स को स्टॉप नहीं करेंगे। क्रॉस वॉक। चेंज है ना, जैसे मैं इंस्ट्रक्शंस दूं वैसे वैसे चेंज करते जाएंगे। ओके, अगेन जॉग, लेग आउट, अगेन जॉग, कंटिन्यू। ओके, clap under the legs. Very nice, continue. Again, jog. Okay, now your hands on your buttocks. Hit your buttocks with your heels. आराम से भी कर सकते हैं। And jog again. Okay, now slowly dance like a Shiva dancing pose. Swing your body left to right, right to left. Swing. Come down, go up. Come down, go up. Down, up. Down, up. And again, jog. Slow down, very gently slow down. Slowly we'll slow down. Now hands to the side, move the leg front and back. And relax, change the leg. And relax. Move the knees in the circle. And reverse. And relax. Okay, left hand on the left thighs, right hand make a circle. And reverse. And relax, change the hand. And reverse. And relax, move the hands front and back, loosen up. And relax, okay? Now increase the distance between the leg, 2 feet, okay? Left hand to the front, ready? Right hand over the head, right hand सर के ऊपर रहेगा और अपने हिप्स को राइट साइड मूव करके लेफ्ट साइड बेंड होंगे. Bend towards the left side. Bend and look up through your underarms. और छत की तरफ देखेंगे. Deep stretching your right side of the body. Come back and relax. अब सेम हैंड जो है वो हम पीछे रखेंगे, बैक ऑफ योर थाइज. लेफ्ट हैंड अप जाएगा और बेंड टू द बैक, पीछे झुक जाएंगे. लुक अप. कम बैक. अब धीरे से नीचे आ जाएंगे और अपने दोनों टोस को पकड़ लेंगे. You can hug your calf muscles. Again, come back up. राइट हैंड ऊपर जाएगा, लेफ्ट हैंड पीछे की तरफ. लुक अप, ऊपर देखेंगे. धीरे से कम टू द सेंटर. फिर से लेफ्ट हैंड आगे आ जाएगा और बेंड टुवर्ड्स द left side. Bend towards the left side. धीरे से ऊपर आ जाएंगे. Now अभी हम राइट हैंड को पीछे रखेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड को बगल में लेकर आएंगे और ट्विस्ट. Come to the center and twist to the opposite. Come back and relax. दूसरी साइड भी करते हैं. Now right hand in front. Okay, right hand in the front, left hand over the head and bend towards the right side. इस वक्त हम right side bend हुए. Deep stretching your left side of the body. Come back. Now taking the left hand on back of your thighs, right hand up, bend to the back. धीरे से नीचे आ जाएंगे. Catch hold of your toes. आपके नीज थोड़े से माइक्रो बेंड हैं. धीरे से hug your calf muscles. Come back. Come up again. Bend to the back. Again come down. Again come up. धीरे से दोनों हाथ साइड में और twist towards the left. Twist towards the right. Twist towards the left. एक बार फिर से. Twist towards the right. And relax. And relax. Okay, अब hips को move करेंगे left and right. Circle your hips. Reverse. And relax. Okay, अब धीरे से like a spring come down, catch hold of your hands and like a spring move your body up and down. Okay, ready? Very nice. Keep moving your body up and down. अब धीरे से हम क्या करेंगे पता है? एक imaginary chair में बैठेंगे. ठीक है? Now bend your knees, take your hands up and sit on an imaginary chair. Sit, 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 sit. चेयर नहीं है लेकिन दिख रहा है कि चेयर है ना? और धीरे से फिर से ऊपर आ जाएंगे टोज में. Stand on the toes. Stand on the toes. टोज में खड़े हो जाइए. हाथ into the नमस्ते मुद्रा. Once again, come in the woodcut. Sit on imaginary chair. और एक बार फिर से hands on the knees, hands on the toes और knees straight. एक बार फिर से woodcut, woodcut. फिर से toes. Come on the toes. Again woodcut. Again down. Catch hold of your toes or close to the toes. Knee straight. ठीक है. Last time we'll repeat. Woodcut. Hands up. And relax. Relax your body. And relax. Okay. Kick your knee. Relax. Kick your another knee. Relax. Both the hands, make a fist with both the hands and circle both the hands together now. Very nice. Elbow straight. And reverse. And relax. Okay, increase the distance between the legs. Okay, and bend down into the goddess pose. Again up. Again down. Very nice. Come up. Now knees are straight. Bend towards the left. Come to the center. Now bend towards the right. Come back. Both the hands turn towards the left side. Both the hands by the side of the left foot. Nose towards the knee. Come up. Take both the hands towards the right side. Bend towards the right side. Come back. Again, come down into the Ashwasanchalan from the left side. Take the knee back into the tabletop. Now breathe in, look up, breathe out, come down. Breathe in up, down. Breathe in up, down. Breathe in up, down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Go into the Sishu pose. Once again, come up, place the left hand, place the right leg onto the front into the Ashwa Sanchalan. Again, take the leg back, come down, bring the, again come up, Bhujang, and slowly come up and gently sit down.